Hey again guys, I'm back to you with another video on Ehang. Ehang is currently sitting at $34 a share, which is extremely cheap at the moment. The current market cap is now $1.8 billion. Right now the price of Ehang stock is at a huge discount, and buying the stock at this price could be a life-changing decision for you in the future. I have really high hopes for this company over the next 3 years and beyond. The Chinese government have made it clear that they're in full support of Ehang and Ehang's future projects. They've been sponsoring testing of passenger drone applications that include cargo delivery, emergency services and search and rescue, and these are such huge announcements. They have major plans to expand their business throughout the entire globe and have no intention of just remaining in China alone. They also partnered with the government of South Korea. They've launched a demonstration of passenger drones across the country, and South Korea said that urban mobility programs must be a focus point of development. In addition, Ehang has made an agreement with cities in Spain, Austria and other European countries, not to mention Canada also, to demonstrate their capabilities. Guys, this is such a massive opportunity to miss out on. There's also been a lot of rumours going around about a potential partnership with the German automaker Volkswagen. They've shown some interest in the autonomous aerial vehicles, and the one that they'd mainly be interested in is the passenger drone. There's also many other big time automakers that I'm sure you've heard of that have expressed interest in the autonomous aerial vehicle industry. These are companies such as Hyundai, Audi, GM and Porsche. I truly believe that 2021 is going to be such a massive year for this company. I've had a lot of people try and tell me that other companies are doing the same thing as Ehang, but that's not the case. These are unmanned drone companies, the ones that people are talking about. They're not drones that can carry actual people, and that's the difference. Air taxis are the future of urban air mobility. This will be the future of local and possible distant travel, depending on battery improvements in the near future. Right now, the price of Ehang stock is at a huge discount, and buying the stock at this price could be a life-changing decision for you in the future. I have really high hopes for this company over the next 3 years and beyond. Volkswagen have made it very clear that they have plans to invest in the urban air mobility. However, the automaker's significant investment in electric vehicles is more likely to be out of necessity after the company's emissions scandal decimated its image. It could prove a really good fit with the right aerospace partner, potentially Ehang. The company plans to roll out 80 battery electric vehicles by 2025 and offer electric versions of all its vehicles by 2030. So with that being said guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you in some sort of way, and if it did, please be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment your feedback down below. Also, what do you guys think of Ehang stock? Please let me know in the comments. If you guys have any other video recommendations for me on other stocks that you want me to cover, you can either message me or comment that below too. Thanks guys.